Hello guys, welcome back again with me and the tutorial with Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Sheet from Excel. So if you have an Excel file and you want to convert it to a Google Sheet, I'm going to show you how. So for Google Sheet, the icon will be like this. So this is the Google's spreadsheet page, and for an Excel file, the icon will be like this. And if you want to make Google Sheet from Excel, so first open the Excel file on Google Sheet, click on the file, after opening the file, you can change this Excel file into a Google Sheet by clicking the file option at the top file menu and then click on save as Google Sheet like this, and then the file will be automatically opened in Google Sheet type. Okay, just like that. That is how you can make a Google Sheet from Excel. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and don't forget to click like and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all next video.